The girl threw the ball. The dog chased the ball. The three old men chased the old woman along the track. The man chased the woman in the park. The dog chased the squirrel. The cop chased the burglar. The chef chased the turkey with a cleaver. The man chased the television. The cheetah chased the warthog. The businessman chased after the bus. He missed his bus. The businessman chased after the money, but his greed led him to his death. The dog chased his tail. The farmer chased after the chicken with an axe. The green monster chased the man. The teenager chased Santa Claus. Santa Claus decided to run away with the giant present. The collie chased after the sheep. The little boy chased the seagulls along the beach. The cat chased after the mouse. The giant man chased the little man. The man in the blue car chased the giant piggy bank. The woman chased after the train. The police chased the bank robber. The dog chased after the ball.